Hello, everyone. My name is Kate. Today, I will tell you about my trip to the supermarket. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually go to the supermarket once or twice a week. It is not far from my home. I take my reusable shopping bag with me because I want to protect the environment and carry my things easily. When I arrive, I take a shopping basket or a shopping cart if I need to buy many things. The supermarket is big and bright. I see many shelves full of food and drinks. First, I go to the fruit and vegetable section. I choose some apples. They are red and fresh. I also take some bananas and oranges. Then I pick up some green vegetables, like lettuce and cucumbers. I always check if they are firm and fresh before I put them in my basket. Next, I go to the bread section. I see fresh bread in baskets. I choose a small loaf of whole wheat bread. The smell of fresh bread is wonderful. After that, I go to the dairy section. I take a bottle of milk. I also take some eggs and a block of cheese. Sometimes I buy yogurt, but today I only take milk and eggs. Then I walk to the meat and fish section. I choose some chicken breast for dinner. It is healthy and easy to cook. I also look at the frozen food, but I prefer fresh ingredients. Finally, I go to the snacks section. I see cookies, chips, and chocolate. I buy a small pack of dark chocolate cookies for myself. It is my little treat after a long day. When my basket is full, I go to the cashier. I put my items on the counter. The cashier scans each item and tells me the total price. I pay with my credit card. Then the cashier gives me a receipt. I carefully put my groceries in my bag. I smile and say, "Thank you. Have a nice day." The cashier also smiles and says, "You too. Goodbye." I leave the supermarket. I carry my bag and walk back home. The bag is a little heavy, but I feel organized and happy. I bought everything I need for the week. At home, I put the food in the kitchen. The fruit goes into a bowl on the table. The milk, eggs, and chicken go into the fridge. The bread stays in a cool, dry place. I wash the vegetables and put them in the vegetable drawer. Now everything is ready for cooking and eating. Going to the supermarket is a simple task, but it is very important. It helps me get food for myself. I like to choose fresh and healthy things. Sometimes the supermarket is busy with many people, but I don't mind. I enjoy shopping when I have time. I hope you enjoyed my trip to the supermarket. What about you? Do you go shopping every week? Do you prefer to shop in the morning or the evening? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for reading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.